Hey guys, so you ever have a file that no matter how hard you try to delete it, you just keep saying could not find item? No matter what you do, you can't rename it or anything? Well, here's how to get rid of it. You need to open up a command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. And then you need to make sure that you go to the file path wherever the file is. Mine was on my desktop. And I'll put these commands in the description. And then next you're going to look in the directory and actually find the file. And just look for the name of it. Next to it you're going to see a directory name, a little code. Just use the keyboard shortcut Control-C on your keyboard to copy that. Now you're going to go down and we're going to use the last command that you can just copy and paste, but I'm typing it in. You're going to put that in and then you're going to paste the name you copied and then hit enter, and the file is gone just like that. That's all there is to it. Now again, I will put these commands down in the description, and thanks a lot guys for watching. See you next time.